Another daily tip, our garage and driveway concrete has separated and it needs to be sealed up before winter. And of course, the most important thing about any kind of job like this is the prep work. You gotta have it nice and clean. The reason that this task is so important to do prior to winter is because we don't want snow and ice getting underneath this concrete slab. If it does, it'll expand and contract and it'll break that concrete. Then of course, depending on where your garage is located, you could have issues with your foundation. I think it's best to probably just avoid that and get it done. And now as you saw, we have a giant void there. And we can't have a giant void when we're trying to caulk something. There are literally dozens of options that you can use to fill this void. You can use a 2x4, you can use a backer rod, or like me, you can use Expandifoam. Now that's gonna take a little bit to set up, but that's okay. Let that dry. And now for me, in this step, I'm simply gonna cut it out just below grade. Essentially what I'm doing is just making a nice comfy bed for this caulking to sit in. And I know that there's a smartass in the comments already typing, this isn't the way to fix it. The best way to do it is put a new slab there. Yeah, we're definitely not gonna be installing a new $15,000 driveway, I can promise that. Most people don't have that kind of money. And who the hell wants to spend that kind of money on a driveway anyway? And this caulking that I'm using is actually self-leveling, so you just gotta get it close. Let's just take a quick second to appreciate how satisfying it is to watch self-leveling caulk. Oh, and remember, like and follow, because I'm making your life easier.